Hey guys, it's Chris here, and this is the Galaxy Note 8. It's last year's newest smartphone for the Samsung Galaxy line, and in this video we're going to review this case. It's called the ULAK case. This is actually one of the best cases I think you can get for the Note 8 for its price and the protection you'd get. Here's my full review on the ULAK case for the Note 8. It comes in 3 colors. Let's get started. So if you haven't watched the Incipio Dual Pro Case review, check it out in the description below. But it has been dying on me. You can see I dropped it and it has a couple cracks at the top and soon to be on the bottom. And I think this $10 case can do the same thing as this. This thing has the same construction, silicone on the inside and a hard shell on the outside. And what I love about it is how soft and smooth it is to the hand. It's kind of like lotion, just like this. What I'm going to say is the Incipio Dual Pro Case and this are kind of twins. Not so much twins, but at least they come from the same family in terms of build construction, materials used, and how they feel in the hand. The ULAK case has more lip protection and can be a little bit bulkier. Overall, I give this case a price to value ratio of 9 out of 10. I took 1 point off just because of how flimsy the top is. It can easily come off and it doesn't click too strongly into each other. So dropping this, maybe the face piece will come off and that can be a hassle trying to put that back on. But it does its job. It's really great protection, feels well in the hands. I'm sure after a beating, it'll kind of get down to the Incipio Dual Pro Case level. Replacing this is not expensive at all. $9.99, sometimes it goes down to $7.99. So there are 4 points I give this product. It has the best 360 protection, the build construction and the materials used is really good, silicone for that soft impact, and a hard shell case on the outside to keep the whole phone together. The cutouts are perfect for the bottom charging ports, as well as the 3.5 jack and the speaker. The top also has a microphone port for the hole, and the buttons on the side are covered really well with silicone interior for nice soft usage. And the cutout for the camera works really well too. It's deep and it also looks cool. It comes in 3 different colors: pink, or it's more of a rose gold, purple, and black. ULAK was kind enough to send this out for review and I want to thank them. It was a great competition versus the Incipio Dual Pro Case. To be honest, you can't go wrong with either of them. One is a little cheaper, the other one is a more premium price, but you do get bang for buck. Both are great. You can go through 3 of these and not be mad about it. This one, it's broken up and now I gotta spend another, what, 25 bucks or $16? We'll see. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and like the video if you did. Bye.